guys, today we're out here in the sun, finally. Got airplanes flying overhead. We are going to be talking about some stuff that I'm going to do to the truck, what's to expect, things that I'd like to do, and it's real short. To start with the truck, some things that I want to do are the headlights. I'd like to find a nice inexpensive option for the headlights. Everything I've seen so far are just so expensive. So if you know of any place that has a decently priced headlight option, whether it's replacing the lenses, adding stuff to the inside, whatever it may be, let me know down in the comments so I can take a look at it. We'll be doing some taillights. I don't know what yet, but we're definitely going to hook the taillights up. I'm excited for tow mirrors. I'll be buying those pretty soon. We're going to go with a power heated option, non-lighted, because I don't have any lights on it now. Performance wise, I'm leaning towards some headers. I do not want a supercharger or anything like that, because if I'm going to spend that kind of money, then I'm just going to buy a diesel and then we'll start from scratch and build it up from there. So really headers, because we've already got it chipped, we've already got it intaked. What else do you know of? Anybody else know of any do-it-yourself performance parts that are pretty budget friendly, nothing crazy expensive that we can do to the truck? If there's anything you'd like to see done to this truck, leave it down in the comments, let me know as well. But besides lights, mirrors, maybe some vent visors, for the most part the truck is done. I'm not going to mess with the interior. Possibly be looking at some bigger tires in the future. I'm not sure if I like this stance, if I want to go with a 22 by 14. So I'm going to be doing some research on those. I'm definitely going to stay with Turos. I really like the tire, I like the company, but the rims, I just don't know. I have a hard time picking the rims because there's just so many options. So may stay tuned for that closer to the end of the year. We're going to be focusing a lot of money on the boat. We're going to be getting the floor mats installed. We need 60-degree weather consistently, and we're pushing 40s and 50s right now, so we're really close. Another 3 weeks and we're going to get the boat out finally, which is super exciting. It's been sitting in the garage way too long. Doing a lot of stuff with the speakers. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff with the boat in general, camping, towing. We're going to see how this big thing tows finally. As we know, it drove like crap without a chip, so we're going to see how it tows with the chip and everything installed now. We're going to be doing some trailer braking, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe. We're always going to be working on something. There may be a new vehicle coming to the channel pretty soon. You know what I want, and it will be able to be upgraded possibly. We may have a new flat driveway coming, so we can do a lot of work in the garage and in the driveway. This driveway is really steep and I'm unable to do any work in the driveway whatsoever, which makes life a really big pain. So maybe there'll be something new coming there. Tons of truck stuff always to do, tons of boat stuff to do. Summer's coming, so make sure you stay tuned. Doing a ton of wakeboarding. If you want to see me do anything boat, truck related, ATV related, just let me know. Leave it down in the comments if you have any thoughts or opinions, and we will see you on the next one. Hope you have a good day. See you later.